Hey, this is my review for the Assassin's Creed Ezio Trilogy for the PS3. This is the second game in the Assassin's Creed series, and it has part 2, the Revelations, and the Brotherhood expansion. So it's a trilogy. So it has all three in one. So it has everything from Ezio. So if you enjoy Assassin's Creed, this was one of the better ones. Ezio's story is in Italy, and it's very nice. The graphics are nice. The stories, this one is really good compared to the more newer ones. This one's great. So if you really like Assassin's Creed and you want to just start, you're not sure where to start, I would highly recommend starting here because it has all three. It has everything from part 2, so in one game. And then let me show you how it looks like inside. So that's a code. Let me take that out. So that's the little manual, and that is the CD there. Turn it so it looks like that. So yeah, so definitely check it out if you're an Assassin's Creed fan or you're not sure where to start. I would highly recommend with this one.